Hi guys and welcome back to Crypto Chester. I'm here today to talk about Celestia, TIA. Okay, so TIA has been exploding recently, quite new to the crypto space, and we are seeing some really good price action there. But I just wanted to cover this from a technical analysis perspective, briefly on the fundamentals as well, just so you guys have an update and we can be looking at some price predictions for this asset coming into this lovely alt season. So starting off with the fundamentals, the first modular blockchain network. This basically means it's a blockchain that has been built differently to other blockchains here. And it is looking really good from a sort of a use case standpoint. And it is basically capturing a lot of eyes overall. So it's definitely worth taking a little look at, guys. And if we are looking at CMC quickly, you can see that that it is actually different to monolithic blockchains that face scalability issues. Basically, a modular blockchain sort of bypasses that and really enhances the scalability of blockchain technology in general without using insane electricity, with still keeping fast transaction speeds and volume capacity, network congestion. All of these things TIA actually has covered using this new type of blockchain technology. So it is actually a very bullish project overall to really be looking out for there. One thing that does startle me a little bit is this unlocking period that has now begun on the 28th of October, and this will be pretty much ever so slowly pushing the price down for a considerable amount of time. Okay, so probably into the next 3-4 years or so. Not huge unlocks here, and they are in weekly increments here, so it's not too bad, but just something to be aware of here. If the market does take a turn and we do go negative, then this will really have an effect on the price. At this moment, we've got bullish buying pressure sort of regulating these unlocks, so we are still seeing that growth. But if it is the other way, we will see a lot more dumpage to the downside. So when the market does reverse, this is actually a really good short position, because there will still be having those unlocks sort of inflating the supply and deflating the price. Okay. Interesting stuff to get your head around, but yeah, definitely something to take into consideration. Throughout the bull market, though, I do think this asset is going to soar. Now, looking at TIA here on the daily here, you can see it's actually it's down around 4.76% and priced at around $8.15 with a market cap of around $3.53 billion, so not looking too shabby. Over the last 7 days, it's actually up 47%, which is unbelievable, and over the last month, 59.69% there. So yeah, pretty crazy stuff. It's looking really good from a macro perspective, and we will go into the chart very shortly. If you guys are looking to commit to your trading and commit to your crypto knowledge and really enhance the profit that you're going to be making throughout this next bull run, go check out the Crypto Chester Patreon. We've got everything you need to know about crypto in one place. We're talking spot signals, trading signals, Discord server with chats, one-to-one support from myself, ebooks with hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of strategies in there as well. $1 million strategy in the next membership up. And if you are looking for a complete guide, a complete course, a 6-week masterclass for crypto, then go check out the Crypto Maverick. So we've got Crypto Moonboy, Degen, Maverick, and Satoshi. Satoshi basically gets you everything, and also an elite investments group as well, which is super exciting insider stuff going on there in the back end of new money. Okay, so yeah, if you want to go check those out, guys, please go and do that, and you can really commit to yourself from a crypto aspect there and enhance your profit throughout this run, because that's obviously why we're here, to make money. Okay, anyway, enough about that. Let's go back into TIA and let's look at the chart together. So let's look at the weekly to start us off, guys, because this is interesting. Obviously launching in October 2023, insane bullish momentum to the upside, all-time high around 21. I think that's probably in March. It was in February, actually, around $21.19 here. And from there, it was quite a steady decline. Okay, it was a steady decline, but the thing that really has got me aroused not aroused, but happy about this chart here is the fact that it actually trickled up quite nicely. It wasn't a Mount Everest climb and then the base jump off Mount Everest. It wasn't quite that. It was a very, very steady sort of trend with higher lows and everything looking really, really good from a structure standpoint. So that poses the question that it definitely has the chance to do that again. It just needs that nice steady growth. And in terms of market structure right now, we are seeing that steady growth. We load back in September, Friday the 6th. We've got a higher low here, micro higher lows here as well, and breaking lower high. Actually, that's not a lower high. It's not confirmed, but breaking lower highs that are confirmed around this area. And you can see this basically is signaling a reversal of the trend. Okay, so we're breaking these areas. We're setting new areas here. And this basically means bullish momentum is looking very likely. Okay, so very, very good stuff from TIA overall. As we said, it's up 59% in the last month. That is this massive move. But the big question is, where is this asset going now? If we're looking at the current price at around $8.13, that is absolutely huge. Overpriced. Maybe not. Okay, but what we are looking out for is the next support levels that have been tested in previous price action. These are the areas I'm talking about. Simple. Very, very simple. Here and here. $7.58. So if we are going to see a little pullback for this asset, $7.58, 59 is the bounce point that we can be looking out for there. You can see we are really struggling to get over this 12-hour here, which isn't great. Okay, so it does pose probably a little pullback, maybe a test of the 4-hour, and also that 7 SMA is creeping up as well. So it is likely that we probably see a dump, test this area, and then this is the buy zone. Okay, this is the big juicy buy zone to see that run up. Now, the question that you're probably thinking, Chester, please, can you answer the question of how high can this asset go? I'm dying to see. If we're looking at layer ones, if we're looking at general blockchain technology here and advancements in that, we're seeing, we'll use Sui as an example. Okay, so Sui has come out with a blockchain that is very good in compared to all the other blockchains on the current market. And that's why we did see it jump from, say, I think it was a $2 billion market cap all the way up to a $10 billion market cap in around 2 months, I think it was. Now, TIA is sort of following suit there, not quite with as much progression, but it's gonna sort of fill the same shoes. So I do think that we have got some serious growth for TIA to experience here in the coming weeks and months. Now, it is already listed on all major tier 1 exchanges there, so it's hard to sort of get a gauge there. But in terms of an easy price prediction for this asset, we'll just stick it on 10.5 as the daily volume weighted ATR band. And if we are going to go for that all-time high, that will be a $21.19. And I do really think that we can get there throughout this next sort of run. And that will be around a 2.6x on our investment there, guys. So just be patient, be cautious. There is a lot of money to be made here. I do expect swings along the way because this asset does swing. If you're looking at the chart, you can see the bounce points are very aggressive and the resistance points are also very aggressive here as well. This is getting traction. It's getting a lot of coverage across many channels here from many KOLs. So it's got legs. Okay, the technology is there. The chart looks good. It's got legs. It's definitely one to hold and definitely one to have in your portfolio. Let me know what you think of TIA in the comment section. I'm dying to know. Drop a little like if you found some value. And again, guys, if you're looking to commit to your trading journey throughout this alt season, go over to Patreon, get yourself a membership, and really dive deep into the Discord and really get to know all of the Crypto Chester community, because there's I think there's 250 of us in there now, all talking every day, and look at all these $1 million strategies that we're going to be using here. And again, if you want a 6-week masterclass in crypto, you can go get that as well for $50 a month. Super cheap compared to other places where you can really study crypto. Okay, and as well as that, you get all the indicators and everything, right? But yeah, that is gonna be it for me. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. I do appreciate it. Again, drop a little like, helps out the channel tremendously. And if you are new to the channel, we're uploading pretty much every day here, so make sure you hit the subscribe button, notification bell on. You're never gonna miss one of our uploads here over on Crypto Chester. Thank you ever so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.